Good afternoon. What we're going to look at today is just a continuation of the previous lesson. We looked at government's macroeconomic policies, particularly focusing on the UK government. What we'll do today is we'll have a look at these policies as a recap, and then I'm going to set you off on a task which will have you look at the problems associated with the macroeconomic objectives when things don't run as smoothly as they should do. So as a quick recap, last time we looked at these 6 key objectives of the macroeconomic policy. So we looked at price stability, so you studied inflation, we looked at GDP, so the actual wealth and the output of a country. We looked at the issue of employment and unemployment and how that gets used to measure the success and growth, and essentially how the government will set targets based on what they expect. And the other main one was this idea of looking at the balance of payments on the current account, so looking essentially at the government's bank balance. Now, on the other 2 we looked at were the higher living standards, and we also looked at the distribution of equal wealth. Now, for your examination, the most important 4 are the inflation rate, real GDP, unemployment, and the balance of payments on the current account. The other 2 are interesting to know about, but are not required yet for your Year 1 paper. Today's lesson is going to really look at the economy in a real-life situation. So what I want you to do is watch the following video. It's about 58 minutes long, so you will need to start it in this session and then move it into some homework to finish tonight or before our next lesson. Now, what I've got for you is, and I'll send you this link as well, it's a video regarding the Great Depression in the US of 1929. Now, as you're watching this, I'd like you to make some notes as you're going along, looking at what the causes were to the Depression. So what were the things which snowballed to lead to the Great Depression becoming such a massive economic impact, not just in the United States, but worldwide. What I'd also like you to then make some notes of are about the responses that followed. So what did the USA and what did all the other countries, including the UK, do to actually combat and deal with the Great Depression? I'd also like you to have a look a little bit more in detail as well, and have a look at what the knock-on effects were, because the Great Depression of 1929 was a massive, wide-ranging, and had huge impacts on the global economy, much like the recession of 2008 and the banking collapse then had knock-on effects worldwide. The Great Crash in 1929 had some massive worldwide impacts, which the effects of will be known and felt through the whole of history. Once you've watched the video, I would like you to write a summary. So I'm looking at 1.5 pages of A4, handwritten, summarising what created the Great Depression, what were all the different knock-on effects which caused make it such a catastrophic issue, and then how governments responded to it. But also then I'd like you to sort of note the things which had a much longer lasting effect on the world because of it. Okay, so the video link's at the bottom of this page. I'll also send you the link so you can use it via Wamaju much easier. Okay, thanks. See you soon. Bye.